How much does it actually take to try a medical malpractice case in New York? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You know, a lot of injured victims don't have an idea of how much it actually costs to try a case that goes all the way to trial involving medical malpractice. You want to know why not? Because every attorney in New York that takes on a valid medical malpractice case takes it on contingency. And what that means is that the injured victim doesn't have to pay any money out of their own pocket in order to hire the attorney or to actually prosecute the case. A lawyer who takes on a case takes that on contingency. That means that they are taking on the entire risk, and they're only going to do that if they feel that they have a valid basis to do so, and it's been confirmed by a medical expert that there's a valid basis for a case. So the real question is, how much does a case actually cost to try? Well, what happens now is that it depends. The answer depends on many variable factors, including how many people you are suing, how many different experts are going to be required, how much actual investigation is going to be necessary in order to get the proof that we need in order to show that we're more likely right than wrong, than what the doctor or the hospital did was incorrect and violated the standard of care. And that's significant. There may be experts known as vocational rehabilitation experts. We may need economists to come in. We may need different medical specialists to come in to testify. And every one of these experts have to go ahead and be prepared. They have to go ahead and read all the medical records in your case, read the transcripts, and this takes a significant amount of time out of their busy practice. So they get paid for the time that they're involved in helping us come to conclusions about who's right and who's wrong. So if we have to bring in 5 different experts, it's going to cost a significant amount of money. Each expert may cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 or $20,000. So a case that gets brought to trial where we have multiple experts, it can cost $25,000 to come to trial. It can cost $100,000 or somewhere in between. Every single case is different, and depending upon which experts we need, how much investigation is needed, and what are the proof that we require, that's going to determine how much we actually spend to try your case in a medical malpractice matter here in New York. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you because nobody else provides you with this information. And it's important for you to understand, as you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for medical malpractice here in New York, what you're going to do next and what your options are. You know, I recognize that you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter, and if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.